Yes, people, today we're having the ultimate burger battle. I'm representing America.
And I'm representing the UK. Who's gonna win? Let's find out.
The king of all burgers has got to be the American double bacon cheeseburger. And it has to be made with smashed patties. Legendary and iconic in America. Unforgettable key elements such as the sweet sesame seeded bun and a classic burger sauce. It's tangy, got a teeny kick to it, and the textures take the whole burger to a new level. Juicy patties need a little crunch for the contrast. That's where the lettuce, tomatoes, and diced onions come. American burger, American bacon. Saltiness and crispy. I know the Brits know a few things about cheese, but there's just no way I'm putting cheddar in a burger. Once you go American bacon cheeseburger, you won't go back. God bless American cheese.
Now you're gonna find out why America has the best burgers in the world. Cheers, mate.
It's annoying because it's good.
This is the best burger I've ever eaten. Sauce, yeah, A1.
It is good.
It is good.
Annoying. It's good.
It's better. This is a simple burger. If you're a simple person who lives a good life, is a good person, this is the burger for you. Out of 10, what are you saying?
It's good. I'll give it you.
Yeah?
But it's gonna be an 8. The flavours are there. But the textures aren't, I'm afraid.
For me, 11 out of 10. Do I need to say more? Do I need to justify why? No, it's just sensational.
You don't need a double whatever when you've got the classic British pub grub burger. Thick, seasoned Angus beef patty. Simplicity is what makes a real winner. A toasted brioche bun, homegrown lettuce, tomato and onion. And oh boy, let's get into the bacon. Thick cut because there's just no other way. Bacon fat is essential to the moistness of every single bite. Us Brits know how to cook a medium burger, and it would be a crime to finish this with anything other than cheddar cheese. Nothing can top a banging British burger like this. God save the beef. Thank you, Liz, Lizzie Line, and just being a top geezer, innit? So here we have the ultimate British burger, and you are gonna see why it wins.
The patty is hella juicy. I've got a lot of flavours.
All the layers in here work perfectly together, and they're all ratioed out perfect. It's a winner, I'm telling you.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Let's put this down because we need to review it. Okay.
I guess so. You got a little something.
Thank you.
On your
Thank
grab.
you.
I like the beef. It's like very soft. It's got like a nice chewiness to it. I'm gonna give this a solid 7 out of 10.
See, I disagree. I've got to go 10 out of 10. Simply because it's got everything you need in a burger. When someone asks me for a burger, this is it perfectly.
You haven't even eaten half of it.
This is my...
Look how much I've eaten in comparison.
I will carry on.
Yeah, eat, innit? So after much discussion and deliberation, and constant back and forth, we've come to a final decision.
The ultimate burger is, of course, the British one.
Round of applause for British Burger. Why?
The American might look the part, but the British has all the flavour.
I was astonished and surprised by the British Burger, and Emma and the burger have turned me round.
If you want to have your own burger battle at home, the recipes are in the description box.
Thank you so much for watching. If you lot like the video, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.